Condensing and expanding logarithms. Pause. Before we start this video, I do have to say that I'm not an expert, nor do I claim to be one, but I do have a really good pre-cal teacher, so let's go. First, we're gonna start with condensing. We're condensing log b minus 6 log g. First, we're gonna use the power property, which says that a coefficient in front of a logarithm becomes an exponent. This means that log b minus 6 log g will now be log b minus log g to the power of 6. Next, we're going to use the quotient property, which says that subtracting logarithms is the same as taking the log of a fraction. So that means that log b will go on top of g to the power of 6, becoming log b over g to the power of 6.
Wow!
Now let's learn how to expand. We're expanding log x to the power of 2 over y to the power of 3. The first step is to rewrite any roots and powers. For example, the square root of x equals x to the power of 1/2. This is because when we see a square root, there are two numbers that you can actually not see, which is the 2 and the 1. So those numbers are always there unless something else is given. So the square root of x is really this number. In our case, the expression already has powers, so no rewriting is needed. Now we're gonna apply the quotient property from left to right. The quotient property states that log a over b is equal to log a minus log b. Let's now apply this to our logarithm, and it will end up being log x to the power of 2 minus log y to the power of 3. Let's go to our next step, applying the power property, which says that exponents become coefficients. This means that log x to the power of 2 will become 2 log x because we moved the exponent to the front. And then log y to the power of 3 will become 3 log y because we moved the exponent to the front. Putting it all together, the fully expanded form is 2 log x minus 3 log y.